This stained glass print looks absolutely amazing. I used my X-Tool P3 to cut out this acrylic, printed this, and it just looks so amazing. I've been using the eufyMake E1 UV printer for about 12 months now, and ever since my official review went up, the questions have not stopped. So today, I wanted to put together a proper update. Whether you were an original Kickstart backer wondering what's going on with the delays and everything, or you're brand new here and trying to figure out if this machine is worth your money, I want to address some of the elephant in the room stuff and share some timing info with you that's actually important if you are thinking about picking one of these up. And for the delays, let's just get into it, guys. If you've been in the Kickstarter comments or following this product at all, you know that it hasn't been a perfectly smooth ride. There were shipping delays, people got frustrated, and honestly, guys, that frustration was pretty valid. When you back something early and you're waiting longer than expected, that's not a great feeling, especially when you've got a business or projects waiting on that machine. And I will tell you, eufyMake has been very transparent about the different mechanical things in the early units, even the issue with the magenta ink. So I'm gonna give props to eufyMake on this one, okay? So they've been pretty transparent. But here's where we are at now. These units are finally shipping out, and all of the Kickstarter backers and the pre-order customers have started receiving their machines. It's here, guys. And from what I have seen in the Facebook groups, once people actually got their hands on this and started using it, the sentiment shifted pretty quickly. The product delivers on what was promised. I have to give them that. So if you are a new viewer who stumbled across some of that negativity online, I'd say just weigh it in its context. Delays happen, especially with hardware launches, and what matters is whether the machine actually works when you get it. That's update 1. eufyMake has fixed their issues and people are receiving their machines. And by the way, so you know, eufyMake is not paying me to say any of this. I'm in all the Facebook groups and I keep my eyes open to what is actually happening in the community. Why the E1 UV printer? And I'll just say what I said in my full review. The reason the E1 makes sense for a certain type of person is that it's genuinely approachable. UV printing as a category can get really complicated and expensive really fast, and you can look at some of the $8,000 machines, $6,000 machines, and it's a pretty high entry point until eufyMake came along. And ever since eufyMake came out with this printer, everybody followed suit. We are going to see the market being flooded pretty fast. Now, tech is moving very fast, but from my experience, the E1 has been tremendous in my past 12 months. And that's just a quick unbiased look before my second long-term review. If you're a small business owner, a creator, or someone who just wants to add UV printing to what you already do, it's one of the most realistic entry points in this space without spending a ton of money. We just printed another challenge coin, and this turned out fantastic, and it just pops out at you. And I'm a sucker for colors and all the extra designs. I know a lot of you aren't, but I am. But every time I print something with this machine, it always impresses me because you never know, like, it's cool that you see it on the screen, but what you actually get and hold in your hand, there's no feeling like it. This is so cool. Let's discuss the new pricing. And before the comments come for me, guys, I need to tell you something. I've been doing this for 20 years across 3 channels. I didn't get here by lying to people. Yes, I'm covering the pricing. Yes, Eufy benefits from that. But I've been using this machine for 12 months, and my production cost alone on the original review far exceeded anything I'll ever make from this from my affiliate links. So take that for what it's worth. Starting right now in April, if you go to eufymake.com and sign up for their newsletter, you lock in the early bird perks for when the official launch happens on May 6th. That means free white ink, gloss, and a $100 coupon automatically stacked onto your order. If you go for one of the bundle options, there's additional stuff layered on top: a service package, ship and protection, and I think the deluxe ink bundle, which throws in a full ink set valued at $299. The other thing worth knowing, and this is important if you're on the fence, the launch window is from May 6th through May 20th, and it's the lowest the E1 basic bundle is going to be at, $22.99. After May 20th, it goes back up to $24.99, so that 2-week window is really where everything lines up. The discounts, the perks, and the fact that it's in stock and shipping from a US warehouse within 3 days. So no more pre-order waiting, no more delays. I will put my affiliate links below below, and thank you guys for thinking of me if this is the right printer for you. And by the way, I know other companies are following suit making their UV printers, and I will probably get some of those machines too, guys, just to be honest with you. But I imagine they're gonna have their problems too. This is brand new tech for the consumer and prosumer market. Now, as far as software updates, eufyMake has been constantly updating their software, and one of the most amazing features is the contour masking. It automatically recognizes the shape, and you can drag your design over and align everything without any bleed over. I have noticed this isn't perfect, but I expect another update in the coming weeks to address the accuracy. Now, alongside everything else, software-wise, small tweaks and features are being added. I have a series of videos coming out with the E1 where I show how to make money and everything else, so be sure to watch out for that video. So if you've been doing your research and the E1 is on your radar, the move right now is to at least get signed up on eufyMake.com so you don't miss the early bird perks when May 6th hits. I'll have the links down below, and if you haven't seen my full review yet, I'll link that in the description and in the cards. I go hands-on with this machine so you can see what it actually does before you make any decisions. And all right, guys, that was the update. And again, the last thing I want to do is to make this sound like a marketing video for you guys just to sell you something. That's not my heart, guys. I have been using this. I have been making money. I have videos coming out of how to make all this crazy stuff. This is one of my favorites right here. And I need some light to hit this. When you get in the right light, I mean, just look at the color there with a stained glass effect. I can't get enough of this. So I'm actually using this machine, and I'm starting to make some money with it. I just want you to see my heart here for my long-term viewers. I'm not here to sell you anything, and that's all I know to tell you. I'm living my life, and I've been doing this for a long time, and I want to bring you guys the most value that I can. All right, that's the update, as random as it is. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.